Hi, in this video you will learn about attribute match type wildcard. You can perform what is known as fuzzy match using the wildcard match type. Fuzzy matching is a technique where you identify a non-exact word or phrase match for an attribute value. There are three main types of wildcards. These are asterisk symbol, question mark symbol, hash symbol. Asterisk symbol matches against an expression of any number of characters. Question mark symbol matches against an expression of a single character. Hash symbol matches against an expression of a single number. To tell you more about this wildcard, I'm going to take two examples. One, that is Centrix Data Solutions. Second, Notepad. First, I will show you using Centrix Data Solutions. I will open this object, Centrix Data Solutions, which is already created. Click on this application modeler and I will click on launch. I will log into this application. Click on submit. Once we'll click on submit, so we'll get here a value that is the reference number. So every time when we create a new order, we get this reference number, and our requirement is to get this reference number only. So remove all these things and take only numbers, that is 0003932, and these six, or we can say seven values, will be always changing. We'll get always a new number. I will just keep this open and I will go to application modeler. I will show you how to use this wildcard in the attribute match type. Okay, so you can see the list of elements created here. I will go to order confirmation pop-up. I will click on reference. So you can see the reference basically is created to capture this reference number. I will click on this match type, this match. These are the attributes selected here to use to capture this text, and this is the match type we have currently. So here we are taking as a wildcard. Why we are taking the wildcard here? Because if you see, this is the fixed value. Please make a note of our reference number, colon, and then one space. This will be always fixed. The random value that we'll get, this is the reference number. Okay, so only to capture this one, I'm putting here a star, that is asterisk we can say, and using the match type wildcard. Right side in the value we can say the window text is, window text basically this one is, please make a note of our reference number and then asterisk. So it will always check this value left side, and then right side it can match any number of characters. Okay, so close this. Now if you'll highlight this, you will get here, right? Now if you'll remove this star and then try to highlight, you can see we are getting error because we are passing here wildcard, but we are not passing any wildcard here. Let's say if I'm passing here this question mark and just see what is happening. We are getting error because this question mark matches a single character. Let's say we have 33617. So first I will put here colon, one space, then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now close this and highlight this, and now you can see it is working fine because I'm putting here 7 question mark. If I'll just remove this 2 and I'm going with 5 only, and you can see we are getting error because we have value here that is 7 characters, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So this question mark symbol matches any single character, so it means 7 times we have to put here. So the use of this wildcard basically is not fulfilling our requirement here. Now I'm going to use hash wildcard. So if I'm putting a hash and now click on highlight, what is going to happen? You can see we are getting error because hash can be used to match any single the number. Now let's say single number, we have 7, so you can use with the 7 numbers. Let me try that. I think one more has missing here. Click highlight, and now it is working here, right? Instead of using question mark and hash symbol, we have one another wildcard, that is asterisk symbol. So only one place we are putting, and it can capture all the numbers. If it is 7 digit, 8, 9, 10, whatever, it will capture here. Close this, highlight this. Now it is working fine, right? Now let's say I'm going to click on apply, close this. I'm going to use this show you here in the read reference. I'm going to right click here, set next stage, and then I just click step, and you can see here the value is captured by this read reference. The read stage, we can say, is 0003932, and this value also the complete value. Now we'll click on step. Now if you'll see here in the reference, we got the value that is 0003932. That is because we are replacing the value, that is, please make a note of this number, and then we are replacing and getting this only this value, right? So this way we are capturing that. Now second example, I'm going to show you that using notepad. Close this, and I will create a new object. Right click, create new object, put here, click on application modeler. I have to create one model for this one, application modeler. Click next. My application will be already running, so I'm going to use this one. Click next, click next. Okay, so I need to pass here that path. Click next, next. Okay, now this one I'm going to use it for text area. Click on attach, so it's going to attach this untitled notepad. Now click on identify, and now I'm going to click on this one. I will just press Control and then left click, and then click on match. Here you can see we are getting window text and the value is blank, so we can just uncheck this. Now I need to select one attribute which has the value like untitled notepad. So you can see here we have one parent window text which has the value untitled notepad. Second, we have ancestors text untitled notepad unknown. So I will go with this untitled notepad. Now we have 5 attributes. Now click on highlight, and you can see it is highlighting correctly. Now what will happen if I just save this file and put a different name here? Let's say I'm going to put here my notepad. Save this. Now click on highlight. Will it work? No, it will not work here because we have match type equal. So here parent window text should be always equal to untitled notepad. Now how can we fix this so that it can identify this notepad also? Okay, now for that we need to use wildcard. I'll go to this parent window text where the value is untitled. Click on this, change this to wildcard. Go here, remove this untitled and replace with the asterisk. Now click on highlight, and you can see it's able to highlight because the last one, this notepad, will be always there here. So we are replacing this my notepad and hyphen with this asterisk, and the notepad is there. So always whatever name you are going to choose here, let's say I'm going to save as, and this time saying my file. So now window title is my file space hyphen space notepad. Now this time also if I'll highlight, it will work fine here because we are taking asterisk which matches any number of characters. Okay, now click on apply, click close, and you can open again just to verify that's working fine or not. Click on this, click on highlight, and you can see it's highlighting here. So by this way you can use wildcard in the attribute match type. I hope this is useful.